Right, greetings, fellow grade 11s. It is still Mr. Hlajo here. We are still looking at our Euclidean geometry, right? So we are attempting this particular past paper, right? So we are going to be starting here in 10.2, right? So I think 10.1, it was the proof. Please ensure that you go above, you check the playlist to check in terms of how do we go about whenever we do the proofs. Are we together, right? So if you're not sure of any of the proofs, please do not hesitate to check this particular page here. We do have, some of the well-explained theorem proofs, right? But let's continue then. Now, they're saying here in the figure, you are having QS and PR, which are diameter, right? So which means already they are telling us that QS and PR are diameter, right? QS and also this is PR, right? So already there's something that I know about a diameter myself. I know that a diameter subtends a 90-degree angle, right? Right? Now, what else now do I know from here? They are saying now from here, now of the center to O such that you are having PS or PQ rather parallel to SR, right? So these particular lines which are parallel to each other, right? This one and also this line, right? Isn't it? Right? So these two lines are going to be parallel to each other. And then now after that, now they are saying produced to T. Now they are saying N is a point. Now they are saying to you, you are having Q1, right? They are having this particular angle Q1, which is equal to your angle Q2, right? So what does this mean? Which means this particular angle here is equal to this particular angle here, right? So already my deduction, I can simply say that now your PS is also equal to your SN, right? Remember, equal angle, equal sides, right? But let's see now, what is the first thing that you are going to do now from here? They want us to find out what is going to be your angle, right? The first question require us to find out what is going to be your Q1, right? Determine the value of your Q1. So what will be your Q1 here, right? Can you not agree that looking at this particular triangle, right? Now, if let's say we are looking for Q1, right? So can you not agree that your angle Q, or rather your angle Q1 here is going to be given by what? Is going to be given by 78. But let's start here. Can you not say, look, my S1, looking at this particular triangle here, right? Looking at this particular triangle here, right? Looking at this particular triangle here, right? Isn't it that we can say, firstly, your angle Q, right? Now, let's just look at angle Q. Can you not say your angle Q is equal to your angle S1, right? So, which means now we are saying your angle Q here, right? This angle Q here. I almost used the tan chord here, but look, my angle Q here is going to be equal what? It's going to be equal to your angle S1. And what is going to be the reason here? Isn't that this is an exterior angle of your cyclic quad, right? Of your cyclic quad. And which cyclic quad are we referring to here? We are referring to your SNQP, right? Can you see cyclic quad SNPQ, right? Altogether. So we are saying this is an exterior angle of a cyclic quad, which is going to be same as what? Which is going to be same as your angle Q, right? So which means your angle Q here is going to be given by 48 degrees, right? Now, however, can we not conclude, right? Remember that we've already concluded that angle Q1 is equal to your angle Q2, right? Uh, now, why are we saying that? Remember, this was given, right? This was given, which means whatever that you are having here as 48, now both of these are going to share it, right? Remember, Q1 and Q2 are what? These are going to what? These are equal to each other because it is given. So, which means now from here, what can we do now from here? We can say to find out what is going to be your Q2, right? So we can say, look, your Q2 is going to be same as your Q1, which is both of them are going to be same as what? Which are going to be same as 24 degrees. Oh, it's okay, right? Because now whatever that you have here as your angle Q, they are sharing it here, which means here it's going to be 24 degrees. And here it's going to be 24 degrees, right? So basically now that's going to be the first angle. And these were, or these was your 3-mark question. Altogether. Now let's look at your R again. Now, what is it that they are looking for in our R, right? Now let's look at our angle R, right? Can we not conclude, right? Can we not conclude that, look, if you want to find out what is your R, right? Can we, let's say we are using this, right? Can you not use this one, right? Remember, this is your angle R, right? Looking at this blue line, looking at this blue line again, right? Can you not conclude that this angle here is going to be same as this particular angle here, right? This angle here, because they're in the same segment, right? So can you not now conclude that your angle R here is going to be same as your angle Q1? And what is going to be the reason here? Angle R is same as Q1. What is the reason here? This is because what? These are going to be angles in what angle in the same segment, right? These are angles in the same segment, right? Altogether. So which means now your angle R is going to be also now what? It's going to be also 24 degrees altogether, right? So basically now that's going to be that one. Now, if you can look at now what is going to be your now your number C, which is going to be your angle M1, right? Your angle M1, they are looking for us to calculate your M1. What can we do now from here? So they want us to calculate this one. So we said this is also 24 degrees, right? Now they want us to calculate what is going to be your angle M1 here, right? So what will be your angle M1 here? All right, again. So how can we go about in calculating your angle M1, right? So I want you to look at this, right? Can we not agree that your angle M1, right? Can you not agree that your angle M1 is going to be same as what is your angle Q? Look at this, right? Let me just make up my thing here so that you can see. I want you to look at this, right? Can we not see that since they said these lines are parallel, right? Can you not agree that this here forms what we call an alternative angle, right? Look at this, right? Isn't it, right? Can we not now agree that this particular angle here is going to be called your angle M1, right? Can you not agree that your angle Q is going to be same as angle M1? And what will be the reason there? This is going to be what? This is going to be alternating angles, right? Why are they alternating? Because your QP is parallel to what? To RS, right? So which means now from here, my angle M1 is also going to be same as 48 degrees now. All fine, right? So my angle M1, it's same as 48 degrees. Are you all fine, right? So basically now that's going to be that one. Now let's look at what is the last question. What are we required to calculate in this particular last question, right? Now here they want us to prove that ST is a tangent to what, right? So now as soon as I think of tangent, now there are three things that I can think of, right? So as soon as I think of tangent, remember there are three theorems, right? We have tan chord, you have tan chord, you have tan perpendicular to radius, and you are having tan from the same point, right? But in this particular case, I am only just going to choose between the two, which one I am going to prove, right? Now let's see. So now what is going to be the first thing then that I am going to do now from here to prove this one, right? So now we are saying, they are saying we are proving this is a tangent to a circle that passes at M and S, right? Where is M and S, right? So if here, for an example, I can draw a circle, right? This is M and S, right? Somewhere like this, right? If I can draw a circle here. So I am proving that my ST, where is my ST? My ST here. So basically, I need to prove that this particular angle here is going to be this angle here, right? Because if, remember, if this is a triangle, if this is a triangle, and then this is going to be a tangent, now can I not conclude that this is going to be tangent, right? And indeed, because I've already said previously, I've already proven that previously that my angle S1 is equal to what? Angle S1 is equal to 48 degrees. This is what? This is given, right? And also my angle M1 is equal to also 48 degrees. This is proven, right? We've just proven this one. Now it's okay, right? So now I can conclude that my angle S1 and also my angle M1, they are equal to 48 degrees. They are equal to each other because they are equal to 48, right? So now what conclusion can I make now? I can then now say, Now your ST is a tangent, right? ST is a tangent. Why is ST a tangent? Because of what? I've just proven the converse of tan chord theorem, right? So I've just proven the converse of what? This is converse of tan chord, right? This is converse of tan chord. Out again. So basically, this is how we go about whenever we are required to prove these particular questions, right? So I am hoping that all of this makes sense and we are in a position to answer all these types of questions whenever we are given, right? Thank you very much for listening.